And just like that, this 65 shell is done. And it is for sale. I'll have the price down in the description. I'll have my email address, so just let me know if you're interested and we could talk about it. I also have the interior and a couple other pieces. If you're really interested, I'll send some of those pictures to you and we can make something happen. Now, this is my full-time job, Peterson Restorations. This is my business. I do these shells all the time. I do get attached to them, especially like this car here. It turned out really nice. All the lines are real nice. The fitment's great. But it's for business. I do these shells to sell them. So in the end, it's sad to see them go, but I know that they'll be a great car for someone to build themselves in their own garage. So just let me know if you're interested. Thanks for watching the video and all these videos in this 65 series. And not sure which car will be next to do a shell on. I have a 68 to do, but I'll be back on the 69 here this coming week and get that finished with that new Coyote motor. But until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.